In taxonomy, a group below an order and above a genus is a family. In science, a family is a category used to group similar organisms that share common characteristics and ancestry. Imagine trying to organize a messy closet where you have clothes scattered everywhere. This is similar to taxonomy in biology, where living organisms are classified into hierarchical categories to bring order to the diversity of life. Just like you might group all your shirts together on one shelf, akin to a family, and then further separate them into types like t-shirts and dress shirts, akin to genus, taxonomy groups organisms into a family. Between the broader order of all clothing and the more specific genus of t-shirts. This organizational system helps to make sense of complexity, whether it's a cluttered closet or the vast variety of living organisms.